Bluebells Model School is a pioneer co-educational school with a legacy of 40 years with a rare blend of tradition and modernity. From a humble beginning today, this versatile institution stands tall amongst top institutions of Gurugram. We consider it a privilege to work with our students each day to help them be their best selves. We believe that each and every student has a gift to share with the world, and we work hard to unlock their highest potential. Our students are taught to view themselves as learners and to think about what it looks like to be good probationers and thinkers. Each concept is taken up with experiential learning as we are developing the skill sets in our students such that we make them future ready for the emerging careers in 2021. Bluebells lays high standards and expectations from each student in regard to academic performance, co-curricular participation, and most important, responsible citizenship, which are the very foundation of our school. British Council conferred our school with the ISA Award, which is a testimony that we are creating global citizens and also leaders of tomorrow. We proudly announce that our students bring laurels to the alma mater in every field, be it academics, sports, co-curricular, as well as, which is most important, life skills. It is this contribution of our students to our school community that makes Bluebells an exceptional learning community. Our staff, which is most important for a school, is continually engaged to build on years of experience and enhance the already existing rich repository of human resources. It is something to be proud of, as it encourages to constantly integrate the emergent best practices of pedagogy in our education system. Our teachers nourish the individual talent of each child and focus on giving education for life. Our mission is to contribute to the cognitive, emotional, and physical development of children. We, to the next higher degree, actually move on to help children to positively integrate with the professional and social environment. Believe me, our alumni is a testimony of the same.
Aiming at an education that inspires confidence, Bluebells Model School stands prime in the city as a progressive institution backed by a 40-year-old rich legacy. Having carved a niche in academic rigor, the school has marked its position by giving region and city toppers for CBSE board. The curriculum framework is designed to bring learning to life so that students are future ready by being adaptive to global challenges. Our every endeavor is to empower our young students to excel both in the scholastic and co-scholastic arenas, thereby helping them to secure a successful career in the professional front. The school follows an integrated inquiry-based approach wherein learning by doing is pivotal. Keeping pace with the need of the modern age, the school is forging ahead, making a smooth progression through joyful learning.